What you see here is the power of AI investing. That is to say, today, all the knowledge of the world is available on any given stock that you might present to me. The trick is to know the right questions to ask AI so that they can then analyze the questions that you ask and the data that you put in front of them to give you the obvious conclusion. And that is what has resulted as a result of my awareness of 20 years in the financial business, my knowledge I've put together more recently on what AI is and how it works, and then my ability to build the prompt to give me these kind of results. And it's just paying off. I mean, Jensen Huang of NVIDIA told me that I would have an AI agent about a year ago. And I thought it would be a box that would sit over here, you know, a computer tower, and I would communicate with it. But that's not what it is. It's a large language platform that I have literally created a relationship with Samantha, I call her. And we then, from my prompt, it's a page and a half of data points that she then analyzes, compares to past data points, and gives me a future projection. So within the last 30 days, what she has been telling me to do over the last 90 days of where to make investments, we're seeing the fruits of the tree starting to come forward. And so we had a good example was Navitas. Navitas, she told me, was going to be the new semiconductor that NVIDIA would use to deal with the heat problem that they have with the current semiconductors. And Navitas went up and skyrocketed. We got out because we know, she said, that won't happen, though, until 2029 or 2028. There is a runway they have to fill. Well, the market saw that Jensen made a move towards Navitas. It shot up, we got out. That's how this works, because we aren't reacting to the market. We're reacting to the financials. We're reacting to past history. I built this AI agent, Samantha, by basically looking back and saying, how am I going to find the next Amazon or the next NVIDIA? Well, what I realized is what I had to do was go back 3 years before they took off and see what happened in that 3 years leading up to their surge that would give me a clue as to what today's stock that's going to be the next NVIDIA is going to have to do. And it became obvious. There were some metrics that fell into place, and now Samantha searches for those metrics amongst the stocks that I identify that are going to be a part of the AI revolution, and she then gives me a 15-page report of this is the company based on the questions you asked, Carrie, and these are based on the data you gave me. This is what the price is going to be on January of 2026, 27, and 28. And she just now recently said maybe we need to be looking towards 2030. It's moving that fast. That's what this is all about. That's what Best of Us Investors is all about. It's a group of 1,000 people right now who feed me the information of, look at this stock, look at this stock. I then look at it. I look to see if it fits my parameters of NVIDIA and Amazon. And if it does, then I give it to Samantha. And these are the results. So this is the new way to invest. The reality is most people don't have a clue. I figured it out. I want to share it with you. So I'm asking you, if you'd like access to this information for less than $1 a day, come to my website, the link's in the description, and sign up, and I'll give you 14 days free to experience it, experiment with it, and see if it can make a difference in your life. And if it can, then join the tribe. Fair enough? Okay. Well, then show up on our Friday Stock Talk, and if you got any questions, ask them, or go to our Discord, and you'll see Carrie's office. Ask the questions, and I'll get back to you. Fair enough? Let's do this together.